everyone, I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Hot Pot Electric series. Today we unboxing the Dezin 1.5 liter. It's an Amazon's choice with 4.6 stars, so my hopes are high. Let's dig in. Okay, this is the pot, and the first thing you notice is the shape. It's wider and shallower than most electric pots. It looks more like a pan with a bulb, and that's what makes frying possible. The inside has a non-stick coating, food slice dry off, so cleanup takes seconds. You can also cook with less oil, which is a nice bonus for healthy meals. And everything is controlled by this knob right here. And you get two power levels, 300 watts for slow cooking and 700 watts when you need heat fast. There's also built-in protection, meaning the pot shuts off by itself if it overheats or runs dry. And here's the lid. It sits not on the pot and has a small vent hole, so nothing spills over when things get bubbly. You also get a free silicone spatula. It's soft, flexible, and won't scratch that coating. And of course, the user manual. Make sure to give it a quick read before you plug in. And now let's put it to work. You also get a detachable core, so now let's plug it in and see what this little pot can do. Okay, the results look pretty good. The bacon got nicely browned and the eggs cooked evenly without sticking. The non-stick surface definitely makes a difference here. I also like how easy it is to use. Switching between the settings is simple, and the indicator light is clear and easy to understand. But this is just a quick first test. We'll be putting it through more recipes, and the full review is coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Shouldit, and see you next time. Bye!